Boxer's glove. Here we go, guys. The boxer's glove. It's going to be, you guys have seen this before. Let's jump right into it. Warm up around this first part. You have to make sure you go that nice and wide on that. All right, so now we have to go around everything. And just like the bootlace where we have to cut around, or actually the jellyfish now, we do that. It's like a mixture of jellyfish and something new. 14.14. All right, so let's go a little bit wider on this first cone because it makes it a little bit easier. There we go. See how I turned in the handlebars super quick? You can do that, guys. All right, slow it down a little bit here, turn the handlebars, exit out. All right, that's warm up, remember? 12.76. Now let's give it some, let's try it now. Let's see, I'm gonna have to go wide on this first one until I get a better strategy. Tell me your guys' strategies in the comments. How do you guys do it? All right, I'm gonna try to cut this part real quick. I'm gonna cut it in, turn, exit. 12.02. Nice. All right, guys. We're gonna go into the next one called the zigzag.